Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everyone, welcome to Entri. I, Deepmani Bharadwaj, welcomes you all again, and today we are going to discuss weekly current affairs. So, we'll be starting with our important headlines and we'll be covering up all the important questions that are related to this week. So, what is our first headline? The first headline says that Nobel Prize winner scientist Mario Molina passes away. Mario Molina, a chemist whose work on the ozone layer earned him a Nobel Prize in the year 1995, passed away. So, Mario Molina earned the Nobel Prize in 1995 and his age was 77. Molina and American scientist Frank Sherwood Rowland published a paper in 1974 that found that CFCs, that are chlorofluorocarbons, chemicals used in variety of products, were destroying the ozone layer. Fine. The CFCs are used in our ACs, as everyone knows it. Fine. So Molina earned his PhD from the University of California, Berkeley in 1972 and in later years rejoined the same as a professor at the University of California, San Diego. So he won the Nobel Prize in 1995 and he passed away recently. So it is the important question which can be asked in the exam. Next important headline is Vishnu Shivraj wins International Online Shooting Championship. So Vishnu Shivraj Pandian won the 10-meter air rifle event at the 5th edition of the International Online Shooting Championship. The 16-year-old Vishnu shot 251.4 to win the title by a clear margin of 2 points. The world number 27, Germond of France, came second, followed by the Martin of Austria at the third place. Next headline. Next headline says Smriti Irani launches first ever brand and logo for Indian cotton. So Ministry of Textiles, Smriti Irani has launched Kasturi Cotton, the first ever brand and logo for Indian cotton on 2nd World Cotton Day through video conferencing. Now, India's premium cotton would be known as Kasturi Cotton in the world cotton trade. The Kasturi Cotton will represent whiteness, brightness, softness, purity, luster, uniqueness and Indianness. India is the second largest cotton producer and largest consumer of cotton in the world. Now talking about headquarters of Cotton Corporation of India, it is in Mumbai, that is in Maharashtra. Next headline says that JayVenkataramu appointed as MD and CEO of India Post Payments Bank. So JayVenkataramu has been appointed the Managing Director, that is MD, and CEO, that is Chief Executive Officer of India Post Payments Bank, that is IPPB. Venkataramu has been appointed as this position for the period of 3 years. Currently, he is the Chief Digital Officer at Equitas Small Finance Bank. Venkataramu succeeds Suresh Shetty, who has served as a founder, MD and CEO of payment banks till March 2020. India Post Bank's headquarters are in New Delhi. Next headline. Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2020 is announced. Now this is most important thing because it has happened first time that two ladies have shared a Nobel Prize. So the Nobel Prize in Chemistry was jointly awarded on Wednesday to Emmanuel and Jennifer for their work on the development of CRISPR-Cas9, a method of genome editing. So Emmanuel and Jennifer have discovered one of gene technology's sharpest tools, that is the CRISPR and Cas9 genetic scissors. Using these, researchers can change the DNA of animals, plants, microorganisms with extremely high precision. This technology had a revolutionary impact on the life sciences, is contributing to new cancer therapies and may take the dream of curing inherited disease come true. as everyone knows that inherited diseases cannot be cured, but this is possible now because it can be possible that all the inherited disease can be controlled from now onwards because of these two ladies. Fine. Next. Now we will be discussing all the important questions that are important for this week. First question. Valtteri Bottas has won the Formula 1 Russian Grand Prix 2020. He is related to which country? And the correct answer is Finland. So Valtteri Bottas relates to Finland. Next question. India has entered into a memorandum of understanding, that is MOU, with which country in the field of intellectual property cooperation? And the correct answer is Denmark. Next question. Alappan was appointed as the new chief secretary of which state? And the correct answer is West Bengal. Recently, which IIT has successfully developed MOSIC and indigenously made microprocessor for the Internet of Things devices? And the correct answer is IIT Madras. That is, we are talking about the IIT Chennai. Recently, who was appointed as the advisor of Khadi and Village Industries Commission? And the correct answer is Sunil Shetty. Next question. Recently, Mokhtar Owen was appointed as the new Prime Minister of which country? And the correct answer is Mali. See, these all questions are of very important nature. The reason behind it is, see, randomly no one asked that who is the PM of that particular country. The most probably the chances of questions being asked is recently something has happened, that is if he has recently been made the prime minister or recently someone has passed away, so those questions become the most important for the examination. So please remember that Mokhtar Owen was appointed as a new prime minister of Mali. Next question is, who has launched a book titled A Bouquet of Flowers, which is written by Dr. Krishna Saxena? And the correct answer is Rajnath Singh. Next question is, recently who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Bengal Peerless? And the correct answer is Saurav Ganguly. We also known as Saurav Ganguly is also known as the Bengal Tiger. He was the Indian captain, a successful Indian captain, and at present he is the head at BCCI, that is Board of Cricket Control in India. Fine. So all these were the important questions that are related to this week. So please do comment, please like it and share as much as possible. So thanking you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.